Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I've come up with a very new airdrop, an airdrop which is different from most of the projects we have done, and a project that is very similar to Core. Remember, for those people mined Core in 2020 to 2022, we used to mine Core and we used to mine Bitcoins, and we were withdrawing those Bitcoins in real time. So the project I'm about to share with you is the same in the sense that we are mining the native token, and we are also mining Bitcoins, and I'll be explaining how you can how you mine that. Okay, so the project itself is called Key Blockchain. Okay, it's called Key Blockchain, and we are mining Key token. So besides mining Key token, you are also getting a chance to mine Bitcoins, and we are going to see how. The mining period for this particular project is actually 2 years. We are mining only 40 million coins, okay, out of the total supply or the circulating supply of 97 million. That is according to the information that we've been given. So you do not want to miss this particular project, and most importantly, it's also rewarding up to level 3. So if you are someone who is interested in networking, you can also earn up to level 3, and we are going to look deeply into that. So first of all, let's see step by step on how do you register, and then we will be able to see other details about this particular project. So the first thing, check on the description of the video, and on the first pinned comment you're going to get the link to get started, and the link is also available in our Telegram channel. Remember, the link to the Telegram channel is on the description of the video. So once you click on that link, it's going to bring you here. So let me just paste that link. So it's going to bring you to this particular page. Okay, so it's going to translate itself to English automatically. And then once you get here, what you need to do, come and click on register, because you're registering for the very first time. So what you do, just come here. Don't change the country. Let it remain USA, because many countries have not been added here, especially in Africa. So just leave the country. Come and enter your email. Okay, type your email and then create your password. Come and repeat your password, and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, the next thing, you're going to be asked to set your username. And by the way, before I forget, as you enter your your email, you might be told that your email is invalid. If you are told your email is invalid, it's probably because as you entered your email, you added a space at the end of the email. So make sure as you enter your email, you backspace at the end of the email to make sure you have not added any additional space. Okay, so once you have completed, go and set your username, and your username is a single name that should be between 6 characters to 20 characters. Anything in between there is okay. And then once you have done that, the invitation code or the referral code is going to appear automatically. It's going to enter itself automatically. But if it doesn't enter itself automatically, the invitation code is also on the description of the video and on the first pinned comment. It's also on the Telegram channel. You can enter automatically. So once you have entered, you proceed. You are going to be given something called a public key. So you need to save that key, because if you lose your phone, you might be asked to provide that key to recover your account. So what you do, copy that key, and you're going to be pasting somewhere, maybe probably in, or you're going to type it somewhere on a piece of paper. It's important. And then once you have copied that key, you proceed. You back up. You're going to be given some secret phrases. You also need to write them down somewhere, or you can screenshot, and then make sure you keep that screenshot very safe. Okay, so once you have screenshotted all that, just go back. Once you have gone back, you're going now to be asked to log in. Okay, so you're going to be brought to this particular page where you're required now to log in. Now you enter your email that you have registered with and the password, and you'll be able to log in. So once you have logged in, the interface is going to look like this. You're going to see the key notice here. There is a lot of information here. What you do, just come and click on start mining. The option of start is right here. So you're going to start mining key token. And mining here is once every 24 hours, okay? So this is where you see your balance, your key balance, whatever you have mined. This is where you see whatever you have mined. Every 24 hours, you have to come and click on start, okay? So that is the first thing. And then you can click on mining. Once you click on mining, you're going to see the total circulation, 97 million, but the mining amount is 40 million. And the mining is going to be done through halving. So after we mine a certain amount, halving is going to happen. It's going to keep happening, and the token is going to be more scarce every single day. So today being day one, of course, you stand a chance to mine a lot of coins. But then before we get there, you are also mining some Bitcoins here. Especially if you consider doing referrals, you're going to have an extra advantage, because if you come and click on this icon with a question mark right here, they are going to tell you what you're going to be getting. And I think as they do having for key token, they are going to probably reduce the rewards we get for BTC. So if you invite one friend, your hash rate is going to be 0.401356 BTC. You're going to be getting this in a day. If you invite 3 friends, you're going to be getting 0.4027 BTC per day. All the way up to, if you invite 20 friends, you're going to be getting 0.0002 BTC per day. And by the way, these are a lot, especially if you can refer up to 20 people, because this will be probably something close to $15. So if you can get there, but then remember, this reward is not going to be permanent. They are going to keep slashing this reward. And by the way, this is the same thing that we used to be paid in core. For those people who did core, personally, I got rewarded in Bitcoins, and I withdrew the Bitcoins. It was interesting. And I didn't refer a lot of people in core. That was back in 2020, 2021. Okay. So if this project goes the core way, of course, it's going to be rewarding people a lot of money, especially for the early birds, those who are registering right now. Okay. So the white paper is not yet out, and you can actually come and check on, if you look at the friend section, your computing power, first level, second level, and third level. So that means they are rewarding up to level 3. I haven't established exactly what you benefit from one person, for example, but then there is a benefit because they have added that hash power option here for level 1 all the way up to level 3. The white paper is not yet out. The app is not yet out. So what you want to do here is to make sure you save this to the home page. How do you do that? Just come and click on the 3 dots, these 3 dots on the browser. So once you click on that, you are going to come to add to home screen. Okay, so you come and click on add to home screen. Remember, this is key. You can write it the way you want, or you just come and click on add. So once you have added, it's going to be adding this shortcut on the screen, so that you can be able to have a shortcut for logging in instead of using the link to log in every time, because remember, we do not have the app at the moment. Okay, so currently, immediately you start mining, you get 1.2 key. It keeps mining from there. I haven't established how many exactly coins you will get after every 24 hours. But immediately you see this, make sure you get started as soon as possible. You want to refer other people, click on invite friends on the go section. You're going to get your link. You can share with your family and friends, and they are going to be getting started. So you can also come and just explore how the app looks like. You can go to the exchange section. There is key swap here. We are going to be swapping key tokens to USDT if you so wish. And it's going to be interesting to see. The next option, you're going to see another ecosystem of features. We have the key AI, we have the key exchange, We have the key swap, key DeFi, key pool. There is so much to explore here, and on the far right is the wallet section. All these functionalities have not come into operation, but for now, what you need to do is just to mine, okay? I'm going to be keeping you updated in our Telegram channel. So, of course, make sure you have joined our Telegram channel through the link I've provided on the description of the video. And also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that anytime we are going to release any update, you are going to be the first person to be notified. So, get started as early as possible. Let's hope that this project is going to make everyone happy again. Thank you very much. I'll be seeing you in the next video.